Remember, 2022 pa ito na nagkaroon ng issue tungkol sa notice of disallowance. 2026 na ngayon, no? 4 years has passed. They were the Office of the Vice President and the DepEd Secretary was given the opportunity, no, to rectify o i-correct yung mga submissions nila dun sa COA. And wala pa. 4 years, 2026 na ngayon. Hanggang ngayon, wala pa silang isinasubmit para patunayan na itong mga pondong ito ay ginamit talaga sa Confidential and Intelligence Fund. No? So, surprising lamang na it takes about 4 years. Well, ngayon nga, umabot na tayo sa trial. Diba? This is the perfect and the most opportune time for the Office of the Vice President to clear her name, no, by showing evidence, showing documents, compliant with the joint circular na walang anomalyang ginamit o ginawa ang kanilang opisina. Pero as we speak, wala pa tayong nakikita. Napakadali naman sigurong mag-submit, no, sa COA ngayon ng mga resibo. Pero mukhang wala. They always stuck with the submissions na ang karamihan ay puro accounts, acknowledgement receipt. So medyo may malaking katanungan tungkol dyan.